Welcome everyone to Sane Fitness TV. You guys are back. I'm glad you guys are back. Now today I'm going to show you guys an exercise this time. I know I've been traveling around. I love to travel and show you guys some travel videos as well. But today I'm going to show you guys how to build up your biceps. Now I mean the whole complete arm, not just the bicep. So many people I would say don't really know how to build up the whole complete arm. But today I'm going to show you guys really quick. I'm not going to do the full exercise, but I'm going to demonstrate exactly how and what to do when you're at the gym working out your biceps. Now, let's get started. Alright, now before I do get started everyone, I do want to demonstrate this bicep workout with you guys, but I gotta say, a lot of people might be saying right now, wait, why should I listen to him? He doesn't even look in shape. Well, you know, I'm not really that much in shape right now. If you guys haven't seen my videos recently, I've been saying in my latest videos that I did get injured back in December. It was during the job and then I re-injured it at the gym. Then anyways, I did tear up some muscles, my whole lateral muscle to my side, my lower back. Previously injured a few years ago, but re-injured it again. But anyways, it was just so painful. Mainly right here, the whole entire side was torn for at least 8 months. I was incapable of doing any exercises, being able to pull anything, carry anything heavy. I had to restrict myself from lifting anything heavy, really. But I am finally back, everyone. I'm finally back. I'm feeling a lot better now, and I gotta say, I just started about 2 weeks ago, so yeah, you guys might have seen from previously videos or photos from like some thumbnails that I was like, you know, looking a little bit bigger, and some posing video I did back last year, I believe in November. Today I'm going to demonstrate some workouts, some bicep workouts for you guys, and well, I hope whatever I'm going to teach you guys today helps you guys, really. But here, let me show you guys really quick. Alright guys, to get started, I do recommend you guys to go ahead and warm up. I do recommend to do at least 12 to 15 reps for your warm up. Doesn't matter what you do in that day of whatever you're trying to do in the gym, really. But what you want to do is warm up to allow more blood flow, allow the flexibility, and to prevent injuries during your sets. So these are 15 pounds. Of course, just to warm up. I'm gonna do 15 reps, but really I'm not gonna do the 15. I just want to show you guys how to do them correctly, and if you guys are gonna go heavier, you could do them the same exact way. Now what I don't recommend you guys to do when you guys are going heavier is to lift them straight up like this. If you're at the gym and you're going straight up like this, 1, 2, why? I mean, if you're doing it like that, on your way down, you're gonna pull your bicep. You might tear it, you might get injured. So what I recommend, you might even be able to lift a little bit more if you do it like this. So you wanna, as you're coming up, you wanna turn your wrist a little bit and aim towards your chest. 1, like this. 1, 2. I'm still working it out. Like this. 1. I know you can't see the bottom of my hand, but maybe one step away. You guys can see me curl my wrist. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See? Not like this. Because you're gonna tear your bicep going down like this. Especially if you're swinging it around and you're letting it drop and you're lifting something heavy. Good luck. Works out the center part of your bicep to get that peak. Course. But now what I do want to teach you is how to work out the outer part of your bicep. I know you can't see because I'm a little fat right now. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, so you can't see the separation much, but what does work out is the next workout I'm going to show you guys is how to build the outside part of your bicep. So when you're like walking to the side, and you know, you take off your shirt and stuff like that, you see the separation, the details on the outside, on the side of your arms. So, and they're called hammer curls. If you guys haven't heard of them, I'm going to show you guys how to do them. What you want to do is, I have the 15-pound dumbbell right here. What you want to do is, when you come up, get really close to the chest, the center part of your chest. Don't lift it like this. Lift it sideways, like that. Back down. Hey, let me lower the camera. Like this. You want to do the hammer curl? You want to do them like this. 1, 2, 3. And again, for warm up, you want to do 15 of these. What I do, I like to do it 2 at a time, but in this case, I guess I'll just show you like this. So I'll go like 1, 2, 1, 2, okay, that's 2, 3, and ladies and gentlemen, that is what you call a hammer curl. The next one I do want to show you guys, which a lot of people don't do, is your forearm. Yes, your forearm does develop as you're lifting weights, as you're pulling them, as you're doing whatever you're doing. When you're holding weights, you do build forearm strength and grip. For the forearm workout, you do not have to go heavy. Doesn't take a lot to feel the burn. It doesn't take a lot to build your forearms. Really, you want to go light until you feel the burn. Then do 3 sets of those. You want to do a warm-up. Remember, I usually what I like to do is hold on to. I have one 15-pound dumbbell right here on my hand, but when you're doing the forearm workout with dumbbells, sometimes it makes you off balance. So what I like to do is hold on to another dumbbell on my other hand. All right, let me lower the camera so I can show you guys. You might not see my face a little bit, but let me show you. So what you want to do is come up and only bend your elbow and not swing your arm. You want to come up, watch. If you keep it like this, it's fine. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, another arm. It's fine if you go like this. 1, 2. But for me, it feels better if you work out your arm like this. 1. Your forearm, I mean. 2, 3, 4. If you have 2 dumbbells, well, you could do them like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There's certain curl bars that you might find at the gym that rotate. They rotate as you're pulling it, so you don't hurt your wrist. You don't get wrist pain. Find that curl bar that rotates in the gym. It's going to be the best for you, really. Get the cable, the one that attaches to the bottom, attach that curl bar and start doing forearm workouts. People are going to be like, oh, why? What is he doing? But you can do reverse curls. That some people call them reverse curls or forearm workouts, either way. But those are the 3, guys: the bicep, hammer curls, and forearm. Bicep for the middle to get the peak, hammer curls to build the outside part of your arm, and forearm to build the top part of your arm. Because when you're doing bicep curls, when you're doing bicep, you're already building the bottom side of your forearm. As you're curling, you're building the bottom side, but you want to build the top part of your forearm by doing forearm workout or forearm reverse curls, whatever it is. So remember, 15 reps warm up. Then you want to start your sets. I would say do 12 reps for the first set, 10 for the second set, and 8 reps for the third set. Start light for the warm up and go heavier, as heavy as you can lift, but not too heavy where you could injure yourself. But that's the way you guys want to do it, everyone. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and we'll stay tuned for better exciting travel videos. Hopefully you guys like those. Leave a comment below if you guys want to see more travel videos. Tell me what you guys want to see in the next video. I'll be more happy to explain something to you guys, demonstrate something for you guys, whatever it is. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and peace out, guys.